Hey, we got the Zeyu ceiling light fixture. I was sent this to do a review video on, so I'm gonna install it, show you how to install it, and we're gonna light this thing up and I'll give you my thoughts on it. I'm in my office right now and I'm gonna replace this old light fixture. Now before you go any further, you wanna make sure there's no power to this. I would check where your breaker is on your breaker panel and kill the power completely. I have a pen tester here to check for like live voltage. I would check your wires and make sure it's safe to work on. So what you will need is a ceiling box like this. We got the mounting piece here, so I'm gonna screw this in to the ceiling box. Okay, so I got my mounting bracket installed, my common, hot, and ground wires installed, and now I'm gonna feed the base of the ceiling light up through these two screws. You just screw on your nuts here. They just hand turn right on. This is a 12-watt LED bulb. This says it's rated for 20,000 hours, so you don't have to worry about changing any bulbs in this thing. I really like that. And then it's got three different brightness settings. This is a warm white. This is a neutral white. And this is a cool white. And then to take the cover off, you just unscrew it, and then we'll switch it to the neutral white. I think this would work best in like a room that you want like a more relaxed feel in it, a bathroom, office, bedroom. So this would be considered a bohemian style light fixture. It's definitely, it's not like your traditional light fixture you would find at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's a nice woven pattern. It's got, you can't really see that well, but there's like a marble finish on the top of the base, but it does fit nice and flush up to the ceiling. And I like that it's just like a different, style. I like the style of it. It's not your traditional, boring, bland light fixture that you're gonna find.